Hello dear Aries, welcome back to my channel and this is your weekly reading for the second week of May. If you're looking for a monthly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, click on the video section and find your reading. So if you're a sun, moon, rising Aries, this reading is for you. Your cards are already out. So let's dive in. This is going to cover your career plus love. For your career, you've got the Seven of Spades and the Magician card. I do see that some sort of success is coming your way, some sort of promotion, some sort of abundance is coming your way when it comes to money. And I also see that it is coming here because you have manifested it. You've got the Magician card, which is the most powerful card of the reading, which tells me that you are creating your own life. You are manifesting good things into your life, which is a beautiful thing. So continue to do that by thinking as positive as possible, right? See, the light also agreed with me. So the more positive you think, the better it is for you. You will be able to attract abundance in your life. So expect second week to be such week for you where you will be attracting promotions, bonuses, more clients, more business, more money coming your way. Anything that you wish for is very much possible. A lot of success coming your way, guys. Let's see what's happening in your personal life. You've got the best card and the hermit. I do see that you are a wise person. You know that something is wrong, but sometimes you procrastinate a lot. Sometimes you don't take the required necessary action when it is supposed to be taken, because of which, you know, the truth is delayed in your life. So expect the second week to reveal some sort of truth, maybe about a person, maybe about a situation where somewhere you knew, somewhere your intuition was telling you, but you sort of did not pay attention to that. I also see that in search of truth, you want to know the truth of somebody, maybe a spouse, partner, a situation, friend, family, who's lying to you, who's cheating on you, who's going behind your back. Because I do see that your intuition is telling you that there's something wrong. You will be isolating yourself in the second week and going within to look for answers, to look the exact situation as it is, because it could be that people around you are not being true to you at this point of time or hiding something from you, right? And if ever you feel like you are stuck in a situation where you don't know where to go, you don't know what is the truth, then always rely on yourself. Your intuition will guide you. And if second week is such a week, then please do not rely on other people to tell you what to do, what not to do, what is good in your personal life, what is not, which person is good, which profile is good, who should you marry. All these questions you have to go within to find the answers for. And trust me, your intuition will guide you home. It will tell you exactly where to go, who to trust and who not to trust. So try to isolate yourself if you aren't already doing that. Isolate yourself because the noise around you is too much. So to be able to listen and connect with the intuition, we need to spend some alone time, some me time, and then automatically you will see that you will start seeing the truth, the reality as it is, and you will not be wearing those rose shaded, or as we call it, glasses anymore, right? So this is going to be a week where big truth will be revealed to you, shocking, even life changing. Probably you will be making decisions on the basis of this, making some changes in your life on the basis of the truth that will be revealed to you in the second week. Career looks good, career looks attractive. So yes, you are sorted. So try to think positive, try to trust your own intuition, and you're good to go in the second week. So this was your reading, and if you guys resonated with this, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and do share what is happening in your life, what is your situation. Do claim this energy by commenting I manifest this energy, so that it reaches you faster. I will be reading all your comments, liking them, and will try to respond to each one of you. Lastly, if you would like to book any personal reading, if you have any specific questions on your mind, then you can book a personal reading with me, whether that's related to your career, love, health, money, business, anything. If you would like to book any ritual with me, I do powerful and simple rituals as well, again very cheap. And lastly, I do have different packages available and counseling sessions as well. So if you think you need counseling, you need therapy, you have heavy heart, you need to share your burdens, you need to share your deep dark secrets, you do not have trustworthy people around you, then you can always come to me and book a session. I do have audio video call session available. I do have half an hour and 1 hour sessions available as well. So do share this video with anyone you think need help, need guidance, or need any kind of reading or ritual. To book any session, you can email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram channel, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, please also follow me on Instagram because I post all such details over there on a daily basis. Here, I'll only be meeting you weekly and monthly. Do subscribe here so that you get the notification in advance that your reading has been posted and you can check it out and prepare yourself accordingly. So yes, I would love to hear from you. I will be waiting. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Take care of yourself and I will see you soon. Bye bye.